Rampur. Rahat is 9 years old. He is in class 4. His younger sister is Rita. She is 7 years old. She is in class 4. Then Kachipara Mr. Rakib Ahmed is Rahat's father. He is 39 years old. He has a grocery shop in the village market. Mrs. Nasrin Ahmed is Rahat's mother. She is 34 years old. She works at the Upazila Family Planning Center. Rahat's grandparents also live with their family. His grandfather, Mr. Amir Ahmed, is 70 years old. His grandmother is Mrs. Razia Ahmed. She is 64.